Something about to happen. Yo, this is so sick. I gotta get out. Okay. Oh. Nah, let me get out. Let me get out. Whipping it. Yo.
Back. Okay, babe, my tires. Did you record it?
Yeah.
So we did it.
Yeah. We ain't even do it that much.
But we did it.
You want to try it? You want to try it?
How I'ma do it? I was like, back.
Did you record it?
That was scary.
The tires start to break loose, then turn it all the way to the left, and just you feel it.
Now what to do? Press the gas.
Step on the brake, step on the gas a little bit.
Put my foot on the brake, step on the gas a little bit.
Yeah, so you feel the tires spinning. Yeah, turn it, and then turn the wheel all the way left. Go ahead. Step on the brake, step on the brake.
Oh, okay. Babe, please get back.
Huh?
Get back. Getting dust in my eyes. Babe, this sound like I'm my tires. I know.
I don't know what's going on. I didn't do anything wrong. My only drug is Krispy Kreme glazed donuts.
Babe, it sounds like I'm tires up. Okay, you do it. You do it.
All right.
Put your feet down.
Yeah, love.
Okay, we gotta go home before we get in trouble. trouble. My car stinks. Get out of here, babe. Oh, God. My baby know I didn't do that. Baby, that's so wrong.
I don't know what you were doing wrong. Like,
Babe, I was trying to get my foot off the brake.
You were scared.
But I was scared. I was like, okay, all right. And my car, this is going fast.
You was going in circles.
It ain't doing shit. Oh, that was fun, man. I ain't ready to go in the house.
All right, so we can keep driving around then.
Yo, my baby did it burn out. Babe, this is what we about to do. We gonna pull up on some other. You gonna do that. But babe, we gonna burn my tires out. I don't got no new tires out.
Yeah.
Oh, that just changed my life.
Yeah, you was just going in circles. I was like, she trying.
I was scared to let off that brake. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, okay?
Alright, love.
I need put some raggedy tires on here.
Yeah, we do.
Cause I can't burn my tires out. Got it.
Yeah. Challenger. God dang it. There's too many of them.
Where?
Chargers and Challengers.
Yeah, we don't have
The last one. My God.
Why you got my car slanted like this?
All right.
For no reason.